Assalamu alaikum. Well, today we are going to discuss the third lecture. This lecture is meant for first semester students, and the topic is movement along the demand curve. And shift in demand curve. Before discussing this topic, I would like to say you about demand curve. Yesterday we have discussed law of demand. In law of demand, we just simply said that it's an inverse relationship between price and quantity demand, keeping other things constant. Then we discussed demand schedule, the table which shows at a particular price, a particular quantity demanded. Law of demand curve. See, if like P and Q, if 1, 10, 2, 8, 3, if this is the demand schedule, if this is the demand schedule at price 1, we are demanding 10 units of X, at price 2, we are demanding 8 units of X, at price 3, we are demanding 5 units of Y, X, at price 4, we are demanding 4 units of X. From the table, it's quite evident that with the increase in the price, there is a fall in the demand. So this is called demand schedule. If mathematically I am going to plot this on a graph paper, let's assume this is quantity demanded, this is price. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us assume that along the x-axis we are measuring quantity demand, and along the y-axis we are measuring the price. If this table is to be plotted on the graph paper, suppose the first combination at one price, like price 1 quantity demand 10. That means at this price quantity demand is good. This is point. This is one price, 10 quantity. Bilkul basic 10th mathematics is plotting of graph paper, plotting of equation on a graph paper. But with two price, price should quantity demand fall as per law of demand. Like this point. Then with 3 price, quantity demand is 5. So yeah. With 4 price, quantity demand is 4. Yeah, point. Yem saat bhi points join karak. Achneran curve, achbanam curve. This curve, agar bhi alag vayim curve niyon like this. You went straight linear demand curve. Once you measurements plots karne should plot can there actually curve derive. This curve is called demand curve. This curve is called demand curve. Demand curve demand curve simply current trace. It traces the law of demand put you should haven. It traces the inverse relationship between price and quantity demand. Demand curve is downward sloping. Bon kun vasan. Kya is downward sloping? Because as law of demand, there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity. That inverse relationship between price and quantity demand, which is being explained in the law of demand, is traced by this curve, which is called demand curve. Good demand curve is simply it is that curve which traces the negative relationship between negative because it is downward sloping. This means that variable increases and this is a positive relationship. But demand curve, this is called demand curve, which traces the negative relationship between price and quantity demanded, with the assumptions that all the other factors are constant. And this is demand curve concept. Concept graph videos because these you can just go through at your own. I am trying big topics cover uploading as 2G ke saath, it's dead impossible to cover these small units. Now the topic which we are going to discuss is that movement along the demand curve. Jaldi क्योंकि टॉपिक ये साथ ये बोर्ड छु गसन ज्यादा 5-10 मिनट ये अथुन पत लक्ष 2-3 दो लगन अपलोड गसन सर मूवमेंट along the demand curve and shift along the demand curve वुचु सर ये साथ इस demand function पर as the d is the function of price income price of related good tastes and preferences four factor usually there are many other factors but these are the four important factors which determine the demand is demand पर असर छ करन छ ठीक now we are discussing movement along the demand curve movement along the demand curve shift in demand curve these are two different topics which is a var bujo suppose this is demand curve. You say we put demand curve downward sloping. Suppose this is P, this is price, this is quantity demand. Chatiye. Movement along the demand curve simply means agar price go change, if only price changes, if price falls, let's assume that price falls to P1. Price go fall, asche pata yet prices par usi yuta current demand at this price OP prices par usi current demand this much. वहीं साथ price go fall to this much, इम साथ price go कम, इम साथ price गस कम. As per the law of demand, the demand will increase. Go demand was यीचा, वहीं गस increase to this amount. गए ना increase. Go with the fall in price, there is an increase in demand. Price go कम, demand गए increase. अगर तो वुचु येतनस with original price योस point, इम साथ P योस price quantity, this was the point on demand curve. With the fall in price P1, इम साथ price go fall to P1. Quantity demand के increase to Q1 यह जो point उस युवोद युतनस E1 ये पर ताको युतनाम इसी movement है ना this is called movement along the demand curve एक्सी demand curve जो इस पर कोई movement E पर E1 E from E to E1 this is called movement along the demand curve या असनिमो इस ब्याक opposite इसमें example suppose this is demand curve this is price this is quantity ठीक suppose that means yet prices per should yuta demand karan. Now if the price increase ab agar price go increase to this much amount demand karoge fall to this much as per law of demand with the increase in price demand is increased this original point here my go original point this is also called movement along the demand curve go agar ye demand curve if this is like demand curve agar this point chu yet per ta ko yutam this is movement along the demand curve yet per ta ko yutam this is movement along the XC demand curve पे इस movement च गसन अगर तो वुचु चाहे यह एग्जांपल या यह एग्जांपल ये तस गई movement downwards छा P was price Q was quantity with the fall in price P1 quantity demand गई increase Q1 as a result E go shift to this point ये go movement गई demand curve पे ये पता को योगदान this movement along the demand curve one which means movement along the demand curve it only happens because of the change in price price changes this movement along the demand curve सिर्फ तो सिर्फ गसन यम साथ price gets change movement along the demand curve takes place only if the price changes I am not saying whether it increases or whether it decreases simply I am telling you that movement along the demand curve takes place when the price changes which is why दी तो ये नजर बनाई बेट एक्लेट this is price this is Q यथ कीमतस पे यथ प्राइस पे यीजा डिमांड गसन छ ठीक suppose price go change price go change now let me tell you that कि it changes it falls you go fall to this much price go fall to this much ये छ original point go with the fall in price demand gets increase to this much go you go point youth shift ये पर ता का या किसी movement this is called movement along the demand curve go im sath change prices mas even there is a movement along the demand curve there are two movements now movement chak yahan guys bon kun nat khas hur kun itkad yetnas vot ye bon kun from E to E1 yetnas khud from E to E hur kun movement yem sath movement guys demand curve from bon kun that point is called extension in demand yetnas ke go price ki fall gasan se demand increase this is called extension in demand this is called extension क्या गो demand बढ़ रही है it increases ये बढ़ गसन demand से ज़ेठन गो this demand ये वहीं गई increase to this much गो ये साथ price change गसन से movement along the demand करो वहीं movement ऐसे किस्म there is a downward movement there is an upward movement ये साथ with the when P falls D increases ये शा P yem saat kam chu gasan, D chu gasan increase. As a result, there is a downward movement. There is a downward movement. This downward movement is called extension in demand. This is called extension in demand. Chha theek. Go movement along the demand karu godnik point chu ki it happens only because of the change in price. Chha theek. When change in price is zı qism, whether it is increase or whether it is decrease. Yem saat decrease gets price, yem saat decrease gets price, tem saat chu gasan movement downwards, tem saat chu gasan movement downwards. And that downward movement, that is on downward movement because of the fall in price is called extension in demand. Yem saat price gets fall, tem saat chu gasan downward movement, and that is called extension in demand. Oppositely, vice versa, agar price gets increase, agar price gets like this is demand, this is price, this is Q. Now this is point, this is E. Now if price increases, agar price go increase to P1, quantity demand will fall to Q1. You see movement, now this movement is upward, you go hurkun. Tan go downward movement. Downward movement kem sit gayi? Yem sat price go fall. Winke shi gasan upward movement, hurkun gasan movement. Kem sit gayi? Because of the increase in price. This is called contraction in demand. This is called contraction in, क्योंकि demand ji kam gasan, demand ji what में yavan. This demand OQ, वहीं गई fall to OQ1. Go. There are 3 points which I am telling you. Movement along the demand curve simply it happens only because of the change in price. So prices change even there is a movement along the demand curve. Change in se chahe bon kun vase chahe hur kun vase. I am not telling you that. I am just saying you that here when there is a change in price, there is a movement along the demand curve. Demand curve pe movement gasan. Now there are 2 types of changes. Agar price go fall, if the price falls, tel kya gasan? Demand increase gasan. Yem demand increase gas. You see movement along the demand curve such bon kun gasan. E per gasan E1. This is called extension in demand. So the extension in demand happens when there is a fall in price. Likewise, when there is an increase in price, when there is an increase in price, there is a contraction of demand. Movement gasan magar hur kun gasan like this. E per E1. This is called contraction in demand. Go movement along the demand curve happens because of the change in price. There are 2 movements: downward movement, which is called extension, which is called extension in demand, which is due to the fall in price, and there's a contraction in demand, which is due to the increase in price. Chati, and other important point is important point that is कि you see movement along the demand curve में छु अच्छे सिर्फ अकी demand curve रोजन same, demand curve change गसन कि demand curve रोजन same, neither it shifts towards right, neither it shifts towards back. अकी demand curve सिर्फ गसन ये पर था का youth movement, yang is ये पर था का youth movement. को demand curve रोजन same. So 4 important points with regard to the movement along the demand curve is that this movement along the demand curve is possible only because of the change in price. जो demand च वारिया चीज करन factor determine price the income the tastes and preference price of related good. मगर movement च गसन सिर्फ तो सिर्फ केम से price से when there is a change in price. पता अगर price fall go, if there is a fall in the price, then that is called extension in demand, तो downward movement च गसन. And when there is a contraction in demand, when there is an increase in price, there is a contraction in demand, and the movement is upward movement. And whether it is downward movement, whether it is upward movement, in both cases the demand curve remains same. The demand curve remains same. This is all about movement along the demand curve. These are the 4 important points with regard to the movement along the demand curve. I would have loved to, क्योंकि आप comparison करें ये shift in demand curve से, तब सुच्ची कसने ज़्यादा better clear. मगर अगर वो shift in demand करो तो लाग वहीं से वनन this video will extend up to you guys 3-minute video, so पाद गैस नहीं upload, so what is the fun if it doesn't get uploaded on the Facebook या on any other network. ठीक. So that's why I just want to keep it short and short. So in the next lecture I will be discussing shift in demand curve. The एक चीज़ वनो बो थोड़ा पाद दीजिए घर ते नजर. Shift in demand curve simply means shift in demand curve यम बाकी 3 factor छना चढ़न, बाकी 3 factor income, tastes and preference, price of related good. यम साथ तिमन छना change यवन other than price. यम बाकी factors demand च असर करन price वरे. येल तिमन मज change, येल तिम गसन increase या decrease, तेम सिच च गसन, तेम साथ च गसन shift in demand curve. तेम साथ च गसन demand curve shift. तेम साथ च demand curve यही रोजन क्या? साथ गसन यथ कट. अगर if this is demand curve, यहाँ गस shift like this, यहाँ गस shift like this. ठीक. So I will be discussing that in the next lecture. So क्योंकि आज गई 5-10 minute. So I request all of you to share it so that it reaches to everyone. Thank you.